This video is sponsored by Aiarty. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly remove the background on any photo with Aiarty Image Matting. Once you've opened the app, click on this plus icon to add images. Here I have 3, which I'll use to demonstrate how this works. Let's start with the first one. Click on the question mark to see what AI model suits your needs the best. I'll use the Edge Clear V2 since it's optimized for cars and bikes. Check High Precision mode for better result. Under Edit, you can upscale, crop, and rotate your image if needed. But for this one, we don't need it. Click Start. Insane results, and it only took few seconds to process. On the right side, you can choose different effects like blur or desaturation for the background. Let's move to the next one. First of all, we need to denoise this one. Click on Edit, then AI Enhance. Choose the correct AI model and click Enhance Image. Once the denoising is done, click Start to remove the background. Insane once again. On the left side, you have some manual tools to remove small errors like this, for example. Take the eraser and remove it. You can also use the pen tool to draw back parts you don't want removed. Like, for example, the rear wheel is partly removed, so I'll fix that. Let's move on to the last photo. Under Auto Select, you can select an object manually or let AI select objects for to keep. I'll do it manually by making a rectangle on top of the car. Once the rectangle is over the object, press Start to remove the background. Now it kept the object we selected but removed the rest. Let's give it a bit more challenge before I show you how to export everything. In this one, we have flames coming out of the exhaust. Select AI Detect, and after that, hit Start. It already did a pretty good job, but you can still refine it a lot. First of all, I'll manually remove this one with the eraser tool. Select Feather, and use these adjustments to make the flame look more natural. On the top right corner, there is this graph, which you can use to adjust the selection. I'll drag it down from the middle to refine the midtones. Now I'll show you how to export your images. Choose Format. If you want to keep the transparent background, choose PNG. Then choose the folder where you want to render and hit Batch Export. That's basically it.